Hello, it's Mackenzie with WTI.
I have a major thing for flamingos. And so when I knew that my daughter's bedroom wall, just the one accent wall, needed beautiful flamingo wallpaper, was absolute perfection. Not only because it's gorgeous, but easy to work with. I love the fact that it took us just over an hour, my husband and I, to do together the one accent wall behind my daughter's bed and about 3 rolls total. It was so easy to cut near the baseboards, to measure so that the beaks of the flamingos measured up and met up with the other strips of wallpaper. The texture on this wallpaper is beautiful, and it has that really good luxury quality about it. I love the watercolor aspect. We like to think of ourselves as a bit of an artsy family. My husband even took the remnants and did my daughter's nightstand drawers. I think it is such a good added touch. High quality, renter-friendly product that's easy to work with.
So I'm completely obsessed with this wallpaper. It's so beautiful. I know you're gonna love it just as much as I do. And that's my point of view.